Hi guys, today we shall see the unboxing of the Mercedes G63 AMG of the RMZ City from the Reliance Entertainment, and let's see what was printed outside the box. It says it has an opening door and pull back and go action. RMZ has also got the diecast models of some of the automobiles like Lamborghini, Volkswagen, Ford, GM and more. So without wasting much time, we shall unbox it. So AMG G63 is one of the most loved four-wheel drive in the world because of its solid structure. Though being a Mercedes, it doesn't give away its traditional looks and has got one of the solid build quality a four-wheel drive should have. It's also one of the vehicles to have a six-wheel drive, but the model here is a four-wheel drive of it. So this is the G63 model of the AMG. So the details are really nice and awesome. Well, like they said, it has got an opening door facility and very nice. You can see the sunroof door, it's not openable. It's not openable, and it says in the bottom it is the product of RMZ and G63 AMG. Wow, the detailing on the outside is also surreal and it's nice, and though not a perfect thing, it stands up to its name. And thing is, they got the pullback action for it. Nice. So it says there's an AMG badge at the rear of the vehicle, and also it's named the G63. And here you can see the bi-turbo. It's written V8 bi-turbo. Wow, it's nice. And you can see the projectile details on the front headlights. So it's a very nice build car. Getting into one of my collector's items. So guys, thank you for watching. For more videos, do subscribe to our channel Turboshift, and don't forget to hit the bell button for instant updates. Thank you.
This is the sound